X2, and today we're at a car show, and we're going to be looking around the cars, having some fun, and doing all some other things. So go subscribe to Podbang Media, 89_Boost Supra, Miss 89_Boost Supra, TTV Sharks, all capital with Z, and Football 47. All three of the first people, Podbang Media, Miss 89_Boost Supra, and all of them are here. So we have the Supra actually right here, and the 4Runner. So I actually already filmed all of it, but I kind of messed up. So yeah. So I'm just gonna go along and show you all the cars. Not like every single one, but most of them. Got some Supras, a little truck. I see Podbang Media right there. And there is a park here, so we'll go down there in a little bit. It's right there. There's just a bunch of cool cars here. My glasses are getting foggy. Alright, y'all. There is a bunch of cars here, so it might take me just a little while. Got some more here, Supras. We got a little McLaren right here. Or Corvette. I always get those two confused. I don't know why though. Got a real low car right there. This is one of my favorites, this Corvette right here. This car right here is really cool because it's got these little lights in it on the wheels and stuff. Walk by all of these, and if I see something cool, I'll stop. Yeah, so like I said, I already tried to do this morning when we got here, but it didn't work out too well. Some more right here. There's a little old car. Something really cool over here. Off-road Porsche. This one's really cool over here. This red car. There's a bunch of cars here. Like, I think it's like over 200, probably. But gotta be. Some inside of the we're at the Crawdad Stadium today. They got some inside of there. Doug. Look at the sparkle on these. Hold on, y'all, I gotta use my glasses because they're like really, really foggy. It's been like this since this morning. Alright. Window tint on that. See the window tint rack. There's some stickers over here. I might have to grab me a sticker real quick. Alright. A bunch of cars. Car going by. I was telling them they can come for me. Alright, yeah, a lot of Hondas right here. So a bunch of Hondas. Look at these windows. We've gotten a bunch of free stuff today. So that's cool. Are there music in this? There is music in here, so I might have to play music behind this so I don't get copyrighted. Some over there. quick. We'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we got some more cars. I had to say hey to one of my friends. He's actually right there in that car. So I'm just walking around. Look at that. There's another car. Oh, that's actually sick. Like fades. Pretty cool. Oh, this car's cool. It's like a Dodge. I don't know. Y'all, I ain't good cars. My names and all that stuff. Alright, this one. This car right here. Oh, this car's like really cool. There's a bunch. I still got a bunch more to go through. Little dog right here. I'm gonna try to get through all the cars, y'all, but I don't know if I can because there's like a bunch. Just trying to get down here because there's some really cool ones down here that y'all would probably like to see. There's some Lamborghinis, there's a Ferrari down here. There's a bunch down here. I already went through this section, so I just went through. Now we're gonna get into a lot of Corvettes. One right here. There's about to be a bunch. One right there. Let's go all through down here. Just look how many there are, y'all. There's a GTR up here somewhere. Yeah, there's a GTR right here. GTR parking only. There's more Corvettes. Look at this. Got little stuff in here. That's cool. And yep, there's some Ferraris. There's one Ferrari, two Lamborghinis. There's some Porsches up here. There's a Porsche. Here's one of the Lambos. Here's the Ferrari. There's a McLaren. There's an Audi R8. There's another Lambo. It's hard to hear because there's music back here. I'm gonna have to put something behind it to not get copyrighted. There's a BMW. There's an Aston Martin. This one's really cool. There's a bunch in here, y'all. Probably about to get swarmed because there's a bunch of people in here. I'll try to go around them there. There's a lot of people here. Alright, we're finally inside now. Hard to get through. This car is sick. Car back there. I don't know if I'll be able to get back there, so there's a bunch. There's a really low, older Corvette. There's a BMW. BMW, another BMW. Just to say, there's a lot of BMWs here. There's a lot of everything here, actually. I'm almost finished. Still got a little bit more to go. Mercedes. Audi. I have no clue what that is. Old car. This car is actually really cool. There's a bunch over here. See if I can get out. There's a bunch of people here. Now it says a billion times. I'm gonna say it again. There actually is like, I know I'm saying it again, y'all. I'm sorry. There's a bunch of people here. I just said that. There's like a crap ton over here. I mean, there's gotta be 250 plus, and they're still bringing cars in. That's the thing. Oh, I actually already went through these. I went through those cars over here. Alright. I think I actually went through all of them now. Well, not like all of them, but I don't want to go through every single one because that take like a long time, you know? But, right now we're going to go do something else. We'll see you there. Alright, y'all. Technical difficulty. So, we're just going to do a little Q&A with my little microphone. So, we're just going to like ask each other questions about the cars here and like what's our favorite cars and stuff, you know? You go first. What's your favorite car? I say my favorite car is that the yellow Lamborghini down there. That one was sick.
Mine? I don't know. Hard question. Mine's probably gotta be the, probably that Aston Martin.
Yeah,
There's a really cool Aston Martin down there. But all the most of the quarter panels, I don't know if all of them are, all the quarter panels were, but I know some of the quarter panels was carbon fiber, and it was cool.
Yeah.
And it sounded pretty clean.
Yeah.
And I liked it.
Yeah.
What's your if you had to pick one car here that to drive, which one would it be?
I'd honestly take the Supra.
Which one? There's like 4 or 5 or
8900. I'd take like 8900 for this Supra. Would you?
yeah.
Because it's a really rare car, and they didn't make many of them, right?
They made it. They only made like a couple. Well, they made a lot of them, but they made a lot of them, but not a lot of them are still 70s.
Yeah.
A lot of people changed them to 2JZs and made them and swapped them and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But ours is still a 70. And
Yeah.
a lot of people use these cars. Well, these cars were made for Grand Touring. They were Grand Touring cars.
Yeah.
But we turned into a drag car.
Yeah. What's been your favorite design on one of the cars? I'd honestly go with
Like a Brat.
Yeah, like
Probably the what would that be? That Corvette.
Yeah,
That Corvette was
yeah.
dope.
It's either that Corvette or the one blue car that we saw last night.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah, that
Hey,
was really
or
cool.
the come on.
Yeah.
That Dark Horse. No,
Yeah.
the Dark Horse thing. It was that Mustang. The Mustang had like a brown tip to it.
Yeah,
To the paint. It was like it had a little bit of all colors of like float to it.
Yeah, I think it went down there somewhere.
I don't know, but it was nice.
How many cars do you think have been made today?
You want a guesstimate? Guesstimation?
Well, like, what do you think? Like a hypothesis of what you think.
Probably gotta be the I know it's at least more than 100.
Yeah, it's definitely more. I have to say,
I'm saying probably about
maybe 215 plus, 215 plus.
I'm saying about 230
Yeah, I'd probably go there too. Probably about 234 maybe.
at least.
Yeah.
230. And at most 500.
We're about to go hand out some cards.
Yeah. I forgot what I was gonna say. The back of it has all the
Information for 89 underscore Mr. Super. And it's called County Line Automotive Paint and Smiling Wheels.
and oh yeah, guess what I got for free from that guy over there at that blue car.
What'd you get?
He gave it to me for free.
Is there any more than that?
I don't know if he's giving it out anymore for free, but you can go ask. No, he gave me this out. He gave this to me, and he gave it to me for free. He's like, here for free.
One's falling. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go see if I can get me a Hot Wheels real quick.
Hey, you should just keep your phone there and leave your phone over here to see.
I ain't gonna leave my phone, but I'm just gonna take it because the music is playing, and I'm gonna put music behind it too, so it'll be easier to hear me. Wait, where is he at? At the blue car? Okay. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna see if I can get me a Hot Wheel quick, and we'll come back. Alright, y'all, we're almost done with the video. We just got a little bit more to go. I gotta go up there and look. I waited for a long time though, cause look at it. Yeah. Wait, hold on a second. There's some stickers over here.
Oh, what's up?
Do we already have those? Oh yeah. I think you grabbed one.
Guess what? You didn't grab one of the last ones.
Wait, should we get one for Ashley?
I already got one for Ashley.
Oh, okay. There's a bunch of cars here today. Got a Pop Bang Media with us right now. Probably won't be able to hear me much this video. Pop Bang Media's.
Bruh, there's a chalkboard car.
Oh yeah, there's a chalkboard car. Look at all that. There's just a bunch here. Oh, sorry y'all if you hear people cussing and saying bad words and stuff. I can't really help that because I'm walking around the car show and you're gonna probably expect that. But the volume will probably be turned up where you can't even hear me most of the time, so. Look at these Supras. Well, I already went through this aisle and showed y'all. Let me go up an aisle. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Just hop up here real quick. Alright. Now I'm on the next aisle. Another Supra up here. This one's actually pretty nice. Look at these cars down here. There's Ford Focus, or sorry, not Ford Focus, there's Hondas. There's some really cool cars here today, yeah. I know I've said this like 5 billion times, but it's alright. couple more to go, and then we're finished actually. So wait, no, we're not. I gotta go back down here. Show y'all something. I don't know if I showed it, but there's some Lamborghinis and stuff down here. It was a while ago since I've actually started filming, so I can't remember y'all. So sorry if I already have. There's a lot of motorcycles up here too. There's a Ferrari. Here's a Lamborghini. There's something, I don't know what this is. Toyota, I think. It's really loud. Another Lamborghini right here. That's it for this video. Make sure you guys check out 89_Supra, Miss 89_ Supra, Pop Bang Media, and everyone else that I say. But hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry for the back camera angles, but if you probably can't even hear me because I'm gonna put loud music behind it. But yeah, as always, keep a good vibe. See ya.